Bagong hair, yeah, short hair. Hi, Jeremy. Naubos coins ko sa VK. Okay lang yan. Hi, Desmond. Hello. Hi, Anisato. Hi, Mandy. Hi, guys. Hi, Gian. You're looking cute. Thank you, Desmond. Thank you. Hi, More. Hi, Bibi Boy. Hi, Alansky. Thank you, Janeline, for following me. Nag-send pa ako ng gift kay Raisi kanina. Hi, user. Nasasanay na naman